Trick your mind, a simple method to boost your productivity. Hello guys, welcome to my another video. In today's video, we will talk how to trick your mind. And have you ever noticed that when you start doing something and you're working on a task, you become distracted by just a few times after a few times, and this distraction leads to checking your phones or doing something unrelated. In this article, I will share you a trick to how to improve your productivity and deceive your mind that you should be focused on your task or everything that you are doing. So before diving into that, how we become distracted or why we become lazy or we just distracted from doing something or being distracted from a task that we are working on, let me tell you that I will in this video talk a very specific trick that I will show you, and I will not talk about something else, that how to boost your mind, how to have a boost your productivity. That's not I'm talking about. And there's tons of information about procrastination, boosting your mind, and everything. But in this video, I will talk you just a simple method that will help you to focus on, and that will help you boost your productivity. Power of environment. We all have a workspace that we spend most of our time, and over time, our mind get accustomed to these places, and our mind operate everything on autopilot. And this is because that our mind has recorded the pattern and performed it like it has become like a habit to our mind. And most of the time we does not just do it deliberately, and it is also has been recorded, and it is the mind that just doing everything automatically and giving us order. We are not giving to our mind the order or what should we are doing. So this is because that we are doing everything in one place, in one environment, and this has become like a pattern to our mind, and our mind just knows everything that what we should do and what is the daily routine. So this is the environment that really affect or has really a huge impact on our mind. So personal experience. As a student, I spend most of my time doing everything from my room or from my desk, and doing various activity like reading the book or watching movie or creating content. These are all which I'm doing from my desk, from one desk. And by the time I found out that this is not me who is actually taking decision, it has been all recorded, and the whole pattern was recorded by my mind, and it has just giving me the signal, is giving me the order that what I should do. And I was just not doing everything that I had planned to. It was just my mind who was controlling me, and I was not actually giving a signal, and I was not intending to do something. It is also my mind that said that what should I do, and mostly it was just all distracting me from doing something or what I had to plan to do. So this is all the pattern that was recorded on my mind and is following that every day. The phenomenon is related to what psychologists call contextual cues or environmental triggers. Research in behavioral psychology has shown that our environment can significantly influence our behavior and cognitive process. This is part of broader concept of habit loop, which was described in Charles Duhigg in his book called The Power of Habit in 2021. If you have enough space, it is very beneficial to separate your work area from your entertainment or reading area. This is all of them should be separated. It is really has a huge impact on your productivity and has a huge outcome if you are working in separated area, because your mind just knows that if you get into your work area on a work desk, your mind just focuses on the important task or the which one has the highest priority. So if you are working if you are entering to entertainment area or entertainment setup, your mind automatically goes in a fun time, and it's just actuating what you are actually doing. The one space solution. I know that it is not possible for all of us to have enough space for everything, for every task that we do, and creating or separating every place or every work that that we are doing. But what is the solution that we have just one place or one single area that we are doing every task, and there whether it is doing an important task or it is like reading book or having a fun time. So the simple solution is that we cannot just change the whole area, but we can change the things around us. If you are creating a simple things when you are doing something or some important task, We are just simply can change everything around us, or just giving our mind a signal that we are doing something really important, or we are just doing something less important, or we are in a fun time or entertainment zone. So by just creating simple changes in one place, we can do just trick our mind simply that we are doing what we are actually doing, and what has the highest priority. I have a disk like which I turn it on mostly when I do something really important. And this light gives my mind a signal that I'm on a high priority task which needs to be done urgently, and it does not need any distraction, or I should not be distracting from doing something else, not checking phone, or not doing something else. Mostly, I when I turn this light on, my mind automatically goes on, right? It's full boost, or it has full productivity, and I'm just doing everything really faster, and it has really helped me a lot. And this trick really helped me that I should be on full concentration on my task, on my mostly on my daily task that needed to be faster, to be ended faster, or to be done faster. So if you have any something around you that you can just simply make any changes, or giving a simple signal to your mind, this you can change it around you. And I hope that you should just do that, and you will get a result from that. As I said, the start of this video, that I will be so specific that how to trick your mind, and to sum up everything, and to sum up the whole idea, I would say once again that try to find out something just can break the your mind's pattern that you are daily doing that. And just breaking this pattern, you will have full concentration on your task, on your plan. So this was the today's video, that how you can simply trick or deceive your mind, and you just can simply break the daily pattern that your mind just got used to that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't hesitate to share your comments and share your idea with me, and let me know what is your idea and what is your experience about tricking your mind.